Hello, my elegant friends, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever opened your closet, looked at your favorite pair of jeans, and felt a little stuck? You love them, they fit you well, but you keep asking yourself, how can I make these jeans feel more polished, more elevated, more elegant? If that thought has crossed your mind, you are exactly where you need to be today. We're diving into 7 refined, foolproof ways to style your jeans like a truly classy woman. These tips are about more than just clothes. They're about presence, confidence, and the subtle art of looking put together without trying too hard. Because true elegance isn't about wearing the most extravagant or expensive outfits. It's about intentional choices, the fabrics you select, the cuts you prefer, the way you balance each element so it feels harmonious. With the right styling, even the most casual jeans can feel like a carefully curated part of your wardrobe. So, let's begin. 1. Invest in high-quality basics. The foundation of any elevated outfit starts with what you pair it with. In the case of jeans, nothing works better than beautifully made basics. But here's the thing, not all basics are equal. If your goal is sophistication, avoid items that pull your look in the opposite direction. Thin, see-through tees that lose shape after one wash, loud graphic prints that feel playful but not polished, or oversized sloppy tops that drown your figure. These might be fine for lounging, but they take away from the clean, intentional look we're aiming for. Instead, reach for quality fabrics, breathable cotton that feels fresh all day, smooth modal that drapes softly, or fine-ribbed knits that hug the body in just the right way. A perfectly cut t-shirt, a simple but elegant tank, or a cap-sleeve top in neutral shades like ivory, beige, navy, or soft gray can become your go-to pieces. And here's a simple trick: tuck it in. This tiny styling choice instantly makes your outfit feel structured, drawing attention to your waist and giving the impression that your look was planned, not thrown together. 2. Balance denim with structured tops. Jeans carry a naturally casual energy. If you want to elevate them, create contrast with a structured or tailored top. Think, an off-shoulder blouse that draws the eye to your collarbone, a crisp white button-down with rolled sleeves for a relaxed yet intentional vibe, a fitted vest for a modern, fashion-forward twist, a mock neck top for clean, minimalist lines. The beauty of structure is that it frames your figure, guiding the eye upward and adding definition to your silhouette. It's not about being stiff or overly formal, it's about neat lines and thoughtful shaping. When you balance the softness of denim with the sharpness of a well-cut top, you instantly look more put together. Even the most relaxed jeans suddenly feel styled with purpose. 3. Stick to timeless jean colors. One of the easiest ways to make denim feel refined is to choose the right color. Trends come and go, acid wash, neon tints, heavy distressing, but timeless shades never lose their charm. For instant polish, keep these shades in your collection. Dark indigo, perfect for slimming the silhouette and easy to dress up or down. Classic black, pairs with virtually anything and always feels chic. White or ecru, fresh, crisp, and perfect for warmer months or elegant winter whites. Even mid-wash jeans can look graceful when the tone is even and free from excessive fading or rips. These colors act as a neutral foundation, giving you flexibility with tops, jackets, and accessories. They don't compete for attention, they support your overall look. 4. Choose the right rise. The rise of your jeans might seem like a small detail, but it completely changes how your proportions appear. Mid to high-rise jeans are generally the most flattering for a classy, elegant style because they lengthen the legs and gently define the waist. Low-rise jeans, on the other hand, often cut the torso at an awkward point and are harder to style in an elevated way. But beware of extremely high rises if they emphasize areas you'd rather downplay. Balance is key. Here's a tip. When you try on jeans, don't just look at them standing still. Sit, walk, and pair them with different tops. The right rise should make you feel supported and confident in every position. 5. Carry a structured bag. Accessories matter, sometimes even more than the clothes themselves. The bag you choose has the power to completely change your outfit's personality. For jeans, avoid overly casual styles like floppy fabric totes or overly sporty backpacks. Instead, go for structured bags with defined shapes. Leather or high-quality faux leather in shades like black, camel, ivory, or rich burgundy always feels elevated. Whether it's a top handle, a chic crossbody, or a small satchel, the key is structure. It instantly says, "I thought about this outfit." Even on casual days, a well-chosen bag pulls the look together. 6. Always wear a belt. Belts are one of the most underrated styling tools. A slim, well-made belt in a neutral tone can completely transform your outfit. It defines the waist, adds visual interest, and makes the whole look feel deliberate. Skip flashy buckles or overly decorated designs. Instead, opt for clean, minimal styles in black, brown, tan, or burgundy. Match the belt with your shoes or bag for a seamless, cohesive finish. This small accessory works like magic. It's the difference between just jeans and a top and a well-styled, intentional outfit. 7. Pair jeans with heels. Finally, one of my personal favorites, jeans with heels. There's something irresistible about this combination. The casual texture of denim paired with the refinement of a heel creates instant elegance. You don't need towering stilettos. In fact, lower, more comfortable options, kitten heels, slingbacks, block heels, or heeled mules, are perfect. They give you a gentle lift, improve posture, and elongate the legs without sacrificing comfort. Whether it's straight-leg jeans skimming the ankle or wide-leg jeans just grazing the top of your shoe, a heel adds a confident, feminine touch that sneakers or flats can't quite match. And there you have it, 7 timeless ways to wear jeans with elegance and ease. Remember, style is not about copying trends or spending a fortune. It's about knowing yourself, making deliberate choices, and wearing everything with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And I'd love to hear in the comments, how do you style your jeans to feel polished and elegant? Until next time, stay confident, stay graceful, and keep embracing your own unique elegance.